Hello everyone, papunta kami sa catering at Shark Kuwait City. Uwi na po kami sa Kuwait City. Dito kami nadaan sa seaside papunta Shark kasi wala masyadong traffic. They have ano visitor here. Oh. Kipko Tower, my work before. This place.
Left and right, left, right?
Yeah. Go left because you go ano. This is ano sa what's the name this? Al Salam? What's the name?
No, Salam, this Araya?
No, this new
Al-Asma.
mall.
Al-Asma.
Al-Asma. Al-Asma? Al-Asima. Asima.
Al-Asima.
Asima mall.
No, Asima. Al-Asma.
You know, Al-Asma.
Al-Asma.
Very
Al-Asma
big.
mall. This is the house supermarket down.
Really?
Expensive.
Very expensive.
We put up vegetable. Last time we buy me and the what? Ali and Rabia from here items.
Why do you buy the inside? So much.
This is the fish one, the black one. The fish, what's the name?
Black caviar?
Yeah. You don't find everywhere, so you can buy from here.
Really?
We call online and say we have. We receive item around 30 piece. We can pick it up behind him from here.
We can go there or like this side? This side, sir? This side? Sir?
Let me see if we can go down this side.
No, you cannot go there. Maybe.
Where? Like this?
Mm.
No, I can't go.
You can? Let me check. Just we go direct. In Benidorm.
Do you know where is the place in Bedigar? The douche? I don't know the douche in Bedigar. Just type it there on the Google. So
No, you know Benid Algar. You go turn.
Just type
That
here.
type. Yeah. Bandosh. Benid Algar Bandosh type. Oh, see the car. They can. I walk. They can.
I can.
Tractor. Traffic.
Yeah, so. What time supposed to be the
9.
video?
Naglilinis ng ano. Yan, removing the grass, ha? For the flower. Ito, mas traffic.
Yeah.
Dito si Bambo Mag live. What's the name? Saad Abdul. This one complex.
Hossan.
Ha?
Hossan Abdullah.
Ah, sa Abdullah. Chic. Another traffic again.
Traffic light.
Dito na po kami sa Ola Tower. Naghintay na lang kami sa driver. Pine-check niya muna ang ano sa reception kung makapasok na ba kami. We are now here with Ola building. Ha? Dito muna kami naghintay sa loob ng reception. Papasok sa itaas dito. We go up. We go now. Fadal elevator. Come here.
Live.
Aywa.
Where's the
Live.
32? Where's 32?
Where's 32? Where's 32? Mapi. And where we go?
Wait now. Okay, 32 here, not showing?
Not showing. We go na other Sinwada
You have to choose from here, no?
Huh?
You have to choose from here.
Bumalik pa kami sa labas kasi hindi namin alam na doon pala sa loob ang
Yeah.
ano nga ng elevator number. Ito kasi hindi namin alam kasi first time namin.
Full option. No,
Natatawa
that's
kami.
anything.
Because
Alone,
yeah,
you go.
because this one is automatic.
أنا موجود. ما يسوي فيديو عشان الله يخليك.
Pero pagod na siya. Kawawa intang matanda.
شلون عليك؟ الحمد لله. كويس قوي؟
Pagod. Tired. 20, 32? 28. Automatic. Wala la gym. Now we reach na.
أنت في
Okay.
الفلبين.
Even? My ear to ano? Oh. Welcome.
I have no idea.
You came before here?
Yeah, I can.
Hi.
This is our friends. This side.
Smell like gusti. Ay. New?
Continue. Go to that place.
Here? Sunod dami di?
Yeah, because just the telephone from there. When you change the place.
Ito na, nag-sit up na kami. Patapos na kami nag-sit up. Nandiyan din yung amo namin. So, ayan si Tipin. At nagdating na
Wow.
ng mga bisita. Yun. Sa ito din, medyo patapos na talaga. Inano na lang namin ang mga clinics.
Hello.
Lahat prepare na. At ready to, ready to send pictures.
This is still have to display it and we're going to get the
Still not set up.
You have to set up again this one and I'm letting it work. I will call Edward, huh?
Right.
Ang gandang view naman ito. Ang ganda. Ang dagat. Wow! Like a fern.
What is this? No, Edward coming.
Guys, patapos na din kami sa sit up. Nandyan din kasama namin ang aming madam. At nakaayos na lang si Dipin ng clinics. At sana guys, na-enjoy kayo sa aking vlog. Thank you.